Look at that. And they just spread the lights. And okay. So we will actually go there over that bridge spanning from tree to tree. That's why it's a treetop adventure. Get nyo pa? You got it? Okay, let's go. So we'll climb a tree. This is a lot of walking
Good.
for old people like me.
There's calories now.
Yeah, shedding of calories. Look at that. So from there,
There's another.
so there's a stair going to
This
that
one.
top of the tree,
Yes.
and then spanning there like that, like that. So from tree to tree to tree to tree, and down there. Okay, let's go. Okay, okay, we can go here. And then from the top of the tree, we'll see the ground and a view of the suspension bridge, I expect. Treetop experience. It says a slippery surface. Okay, so this is already an elevated surface. Those people are actually coming here. So let's see. Okay, Rainforest Explorers. Capilano Suspension Bridge Park. Hi!
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you so much. You're live. I don't know if you mind. It's okay.
Sure, sure. Would you guys like to collect some stickers? Is it free? Yes, yes. Okay. Absolutely. So, okay. I'm just gonna give you a sticker. Okay. And so there's two more to find. Okay.
Two more to find.
Yes. Okay.
Ah,
So you can have it as a safety.
thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like to collect some stickers? Yeah. And I can yeah.
Okay, from point to point, they'll be giving sticker. So you have to put the sticker on the hole where
For
it
this
belongs
one.
to.
Okay.
Yeah, until you complete. Okay, so you have to complete the four friends.
Okay, I have one now.
Okay, let's go. And today's weather, it's 5 to 10 degrees centigrade. I guess that should be accurate enough. Let's go. Move again. And at least this one here is not suspended anymore. It's not winding. And but we will need to go back. That's what Larry said. Okay. So we're on treetop, and these bridges are connecting from one tree to another. Look at that. It's a trunk of a tree. It's huge, and probably about it's not. It's more than a 1 meter of trunk. Okay.
I think this is the.
So it's a viewpoint so that we can see. And from here, we'll get there to another trunk of the tree. So that bridge is connecting from tree to tree. So we're in one trunk, and then after here is connecting to another tree. And on that tree, there's no exit point.
We call it Capilano Suspension Bridge
Mhm.
with canyon lights.
With canyon lights. Look at that.